morning friends. Welcome to SSDY in session lecture. After a long corona vacation, I hope you have all enjoyed your corona vacation, है ना? नहीं मिलती थी छुट्टियां, लेकिन हमें फिर भी बहुत सारी छुट्टियां मिल गई. अभी छुट्टी के बाद पढ़ाई करना किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन हमें पढ़ाई तो करनी पड़ेगी. So SSDY school is starting the session lecture of the new year. So I myself Jeena Trivedi. I am taking ENV in standard 5th. So today I will start lesson number 1, introduction and pictogram. What do you mean by pictogram? According to the picture, you can say and describe the picture. So this lesson is for that only. So on the traffic signal, what do you see? You see the colors and recognize that. What does the light mean? On the school, near a school, there is a bump ahead. What do you see? A girl is waiting there and the bump signal is there. So we can see the picture and say that this thing is happening. So this picture is for picture. Now see this. This is your ENV note textbook. World around us. What do you mean by world around us? Means you can see that what do you find around us. You can see on the picture some animal picture and some body parts are on the textbook. So from this you can see that what you have to study the whole year. Now the first lesson is introduction. It is written that fill in the colors and do the print work. What do you mean by print work? That you have done in senior KG. So you can do it yourself. Now on the second page, what do you see? There is a story of a girl and some questions are written below that. See, which of your friends are taller than you? आपके दोस्तों में से कौन सा दोस्त बड़ा है? उसका नाम आपको लिखना है. Which friend's house is farthest from your house? आपके दोस्तों के घर में से किसका घर सबसे दूर है? You have to write the name of that friend. Which of your friends are shorter than you? आपके फ्रेंड्स में कौन सा दोस्त है जो हाइट में छोटा है? वो आपको लिखना है. Which place do you like the most in your school? There are so many places in your school that you like and do not. But here the question is, which is the place that you like the most? आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा चीज़ अच्छा लगता है आपके स्कूल में? The name of that place you have to write. Below that there is an outdoor game. The children are playing here. So you can see that which game they are playing. And you can see that outdoor and indoor game. In the vacation you have played. Most of the children in corona vacation you have played the indoor games. Now here is a puzzle. Circle the zero. यानी कि सर्कल करना है आपको. मिस्टेक है ये पिक्चर के अंदर. Now see. The TV is working but the plug is not in that switch. So how can the TV work? So this is a mistake. So you have to circle it. Here. The boy is not sitting on the sofa. He is sitting down. Already the place is given. Here in the picture there is a light. Is the light in the picture? No, it can't be because sun is there. So there should not be light. So these are the mistakes in this picture. Now the last question is perform, enact and role play. What do you mean by role play? आपको एक डांस कर रही है. देखो एक लड़की म्यूजिक के ऊपर डांस करे. सो यू कैन प्ले एनी रोल इन दिस थिंग. नाउ हियर सम स्टूडेंट्स आर क्लीनिंग देयर क्लासरूम. सो दिस इज एन एक्टिविटी डन इन द क्लास. सम बॉयज आर wiping the floor with the mop. Some are cleaning the blackboard and all that things. In the last lecture there is a classroom activity which is done by the class teacher. They are making a craft thing. So this you can see in this picture. Now see, this is the workbook of ENV. In this first number question you can see that there is a brush, ink, paint and a paint plate. This is the symbol indicates that you have to fill the color or print the work. In the second picture what you say? That the grandfather is telling the story to the grand boy. यानी कि दादाजी अपने बच्चे को एक स्टोरी बोल रहे हैं. In the third what is there? That the earth is thinking. यानी कि एक चीज जो सोच रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. In the fourth, there is a picture of an hockey stick and a ball. So, the children are going to play the outdoor game. Fifth picture, This symbol indicates to solve the puzzle. This is the puzzle box. In number 6, you can say that the boy is performing or enacting the role play. In the 7, the book indicates to perform an activity. यानी के thread दिया है, सुई दी है और धागा दिया है. So what you have to do? You have to do some activity. And in the number 8, this is an horse. You can play the chess. This horse is of a chessboard. So you have to play the game. Number 9, the symbol is that the child is reading the textbook. So the child is reading something, whatever related to studies or any other activity. In number 10, what is that? That the pen, there is an indication that nothing noting down observation and ideas in the textbook and indicates the writing independently. You have to write which is in your mind. So you have to write it. Number 11, it is a symbol of magnifying lens, means something you have to observe what the thing is going on. In number 12, the 3 persons are discussing whatever matter. Yani discussion must be in house, according to the teachers, about their guardians or something else. In number 13, there is a picture of an tabla. So means what? That they are playing to sing. Number 14, there is a book of project work. Means what? They have to do the project. Means in this lesson, what do you see? That you have to learn and according to learn this activity you have already seen the textbook, that is repeated in the workbook. In the last page you have seen that make impression of the ladyfinger, potato and leaves in the box. So this you have to do it yourself. And these question answers I have already explained in the textbook, that answers you have to write it in the workbook also. And this picture we have discussed in the textbook, so you have to write some sentences about that picture. Here is some box activity given. You have to write the names of the object or an animal and you have to tick whether it is useful or not. Suppose the dog is a useful animal, so it is yes. Cow is unuseful. Lion is useful, no. So you have to tick it in no. Elephant is useful, no. So you have to tick it no because they live in forest. Horse is useful, yes. So it is useful. So you have to tick it in yes. Like that way you have to fill this box.